Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I want to read a report text about tsunami, and then I will explain the structure, main idea, and the keyword. Tsunami. The word tsunami comes from the Japanese language meaning great waves. Support and nami wave. A great definition by people is a tsunami is a natural disaster caused by rising sea waves to the mainland at high speeds due to the earthquake centered under the sea. The quake could have been caused by soil erosion, the plates were shifting, volcanic eruption, and who experienced meteor that crashed in the ocean. This usually happens when the tsunami earthquakes exceeding magnitude 7 on the Richter scale. Tsunami is quite dangerous, especially for those who live in beach area. With great power, he will sweep everything in his path. When talking about the tsunami, then we would have to start from the cause, namely the earthquake in the ocean. Tsunami always preceded a powerful movement that we commonly call the earthquake, although it is known that there are various types of this earthquake. But 90% of the tsunami caused by movement of the plates in the earth that happened to be located in areas of the ocean. It should be also mentioned the history of tsunamis ever recorded due to the eruption of Krakatau. An earthquake in the bowel of the earth will result in the emergency of pressure to the vertical direction, so that the bottom of the sea will rise and fall in a short time span. This will then lead to an imbalance in the ocean water, which is then pushed into a large wave that moves reached in the mainland. With great power, there in waterways naturally if the building on the mainland can be washed away easily. The tsunami waves propagate at speed unimaginable. He could reach 500 to 1,000 km per hour at sea, and when it reaches the shore, the speed is reduced to 50 to 30 km per hour. Although reduced rapidly, but the pace was able to cause severe damage to humans. If we look at the tsunami, of course we understand that there is no human intervention in it. Thus, we do not have control to prevent these causes. However, the preparation and maximum vigilance, we can minimize the impact of the tsunami itself. A good example has been shown in Japan. Although prone the tsunami, but the awareness of people able to reduce the number of victims of the disaster. Structure of the text. General classification. It is contained in the first paragraph because it contains a general statement on the topic being talked about. Description. It is contained in the second until fifth paragraph because it is a section that provides a detailed overview of the topic discussed in the general classification. Main idea. First paragraph, the main idea is the word tsunami comes from the Japanese language meaning great waves. Second paragraph, the main idea is when talking about the tsunami, then we would have to start from the cause, namely the earthquake in the ocean. The third paragraph is an earthquake in the bowels of the earth will result in the emergency of pressure to the vertical direction so that the bottom of the sea will rise and fall in a short time span. The fourth paragraph is the tsunami waves propagate at speed unimaginable. The last paragraph is we do not have control to prevent these causes. However, the preparation and maximum vigilance, we can minimize the impact of the tsunami itself. Keyword. The first paragraph, waves and erosion. The second paragraph, earthquake and Krakatau. The third paragraph, vertical direction. The fourth is reaches, and the last paragraph is control, minimize, and awareness. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.